Eating Nigerian food in Las Vegas felt like paradise, but the cost will add up fast. If you are going to be here for a while, and you also have access to a kitchen, then you might want to find a store to buy the ingredients you need. Don't worry, Nkem African Caribbean Market will take care of you. It is located very close to the Las Vegas Strip, so getting there should not be a problem. I will leave the address in the description below. Keep watching to see some of the things they have. Yes, so my people, Naija man don't find African store. Naija store to be specific. Now no say Naija no dey carry last. We dey everywhere. So I found a Nigerian store in Las Vegas. See Indomie o. If una come Vegas, come blow all your money for casino. You know say na Indomie you go come begin chop. So when you're ready for your Indomie, then get am here. Different types. Yeah. Let's see. Wetin be this one? Kuli kuli. See kuli kuli oh. See as them package am well. The thing say come dey hungry me. Then get yam. Fresh yam, boku everywhere. Onions. Banana. My people, now they see so. You see, say when you come Vegas, you no go miss Nigeria at all. At all. And for cooking, right? And here then get beauty supply, beauty soap. Everything there. Can get things for men too. The men are not left out. Make una come shop. Do una shopping. Come be beautiful. Black is beautiful. Naija is better. Garri dey, fufu dey. Wetin no dey? Wetin no dey here no exist. Palm oil day. See what we see here. Okporoko. Okporoko day. Different types. Full mix. Otazi day. Bitter leaf. See this one, abacha. Let's see all the things we una fit get. Pounded yam day. Una go chop tire. Make una forget hamburger. That one no be real food. Too bad I no sabi cook. They come shop here every day. Crayfish day, oh my people. Ogbono, my favorite. Egusi serve day. Fufu flour. Orishirishi. Raw peanuts. That one from Ugwusa. Abi. Vita malts, my favorites. That's so I must buy some before I go. Make I go drink. Maybe go give me luck at the casino. Ogide, my people. Now only akara remain, Ogi. Akam. Lipton tea. Everything just at this store. Milk. See granite. I just wait to see if they have agege bread now. So that I go take and chop the granuts. See agege bread. Straight from agege. I go chop tire. Sikenkeo for our breaders, our Ghanaian breaders. Oh yeah, my boy, don't pick in choice. Granite with agege bread. Invite her more to wash it down. This one better pass hamburger and all those useless Oyibo food. This one go chop and you go belly full well. You no go chop again till this time next year. Say una dey take naira.
Do you like something from Nigeria?
Naija store we know they take naira.
This is $1.
Now 500. This one say 14.19. I give madam 500. She no agree. Okay, now I guess na dollar. I had to use dollar, so guys, if una dey come here, now una bring una dollars, so now so. Madam, anything you want to tell my people?
Well, this is one of the good and best African shops in Las Vegas. We've been operating since over 20 years. Whenever you visit Las Vegas, please come and patronize us. We have a very friendly environment. Thank you and God bless.
With my belly full, I head out to Fremont Street. That is coming up on the next episode. Like and subscribe so you don't miss it. Here is a preview. We're here in Fremont Street, Las Vegas, checking it out. My Naija people can't eat for free,